Hola amigos, come with me to the Mercado. This is what my walk looks like. I live in one of the traditional neighborhoods in the center, and I get to walk through all of this beautiful history, like this fort. By the way, I live in Campeche, which is in southern Mexico, and it's west of Cancun. Campeche is one of the only fortified cities in North America, and it has a very interesting pirate history. And it is a clean, safe, friendly, inexpensive, beautiful city where the sun is always shining and it's always hot. And I love these walks, especially early in the morning when there isn't a lot of people and it's very peaceful. If you enjoy these kind of videos, let me know in the comments, and I would love to share more history and more historical places with you. You have to make your way to the Mercado early in the morning before it gets too hot, because it is very, very hot here. And one of the things I love about the Mercado here in Campeche is that I get to see fruits and vegetables that I didn't get to see growing up and visiting Jalisco. This is one of my favorite places to get a snack of fresh cut up fruit. The only thing I don't like is that there's a lot of use of plastic and styrofoam, and I always try to bring my reusable bags, but you can find like everything, all the seasonal fruits and vegetables, things you probably have never even seen. And of course there's several stalls where they sell like the traditional hand woven dresses, which are just gorgeous. The people at the Mercado are very, very friendly, and you can buy fresh fruits and vegetables here at much better prices than you can at the grocery store. And one of the things I always do when I go to the Mercado is I stop at the homeware store. I think that's what you call this type of store. And they just have like little bits of everything, like this mold to make huaraches de masa, which I got one for myself. And I know you can make them by hand, but it's so much easier with the mold. And they have so many different types of molcajete, but I don't need a new molcajete. I also stopped to get some spices, and I stopped at the candy store to buy a few treats, which is always so much fun. And by this time it was very, very hot, so I hopped in a taxi and made my way back home. And you know, I never get tired. I've been living here 5 years and I never get tired of these views. Let me know if you enjoyed the video in the comments.